features make Python a good programming language. Coding style is the main reason of that. Indentation methods are really useful and unique. We observe these styles, we can understand the codes of each other very well. Codes I write are same as you. We both have same pattern, and it makes reading the codes of each other easier. Here, I don't mean if you don't observe these rules, your codes won't run. No, they will run. However, we have syntax rules in which if you don't observe the rules, you face error. But observing these rules of PEP8 make all of the codes and programs same. It makes all codes of programmers same actually. This is ideal and many programmers do. The first rule is this. Here we have a function. We define it with def and we say answer the phone. Here this part, this is block. Actually you can see it's greeting. Hi, this is Kenneth. It can be printed. The name of variable here, as you can see, is a noun. So greeting is a noun. We always do that. It's a rule. It should be a noun. And here, which is very important, each block is separated with 4 spaces. Using your editors, you can put 4 spaces with just pushing tab key. And also you can change the settings. Here with the other part is colon. The colon says that the block must be started now. After a colon, the next line should have a 4 space distance. The other rule is naming the function. First, we have a verb and then we have a noun. Here we cannot use space. Here we say answer the phone. You can see that here we cannot have space. So there is no space here. They should be connected. It's a syntax error. If you do that, you face a syntax error. And so you should just use underline. No hyphen, no dash, just underline. And whenever you wanted better information from the documentation of PEP8, you can go to python.org PEP8, and here you can see all of the rules of writing a code. Here, I want you to read these rules at least once, that they are really important and helpful. Although we will work on these codes in the next episodes, don't worry. I will teach them. And you will, I'm sure that you won't have any problem in this regard.